Hello people, welcome back to channel Shake Rides. So I'm traveling to Coorg with a bikers club ORPS. I'll be going to Jungle Mount Coorg. So I'm starting now 5 o'clock. I need to reach the before 5:30 Yeshwanthpur. So let's go. Let's do a quick ride. Let's meet the people. So yes, good morning guys. This is my first travel log officially. Previously I've been traveling, but this was my first official travel with the bikers club. So there are 30 of us who will be leaving at 5:15 something from Yeshwanthpur. Since the Mysore road is bad, we guys are taking Tumkur road, then Ilmangla, then reaching Haas, and I guess from there we'll be taking a different road where the road is good. So I finally reached here near the toll gate after Yeshwanthpur. So this is the team, 30 members team. So we are all gonna go to, as discussed, to Jungle Mount. So they are planning here all the signals and all the rules to regulations. So we'll be going in a speed of 80 speed limit, and we're trying to reach it by there by afternoon. We're gonna stop for the breakfast, yes. And this is from ORPS. Riders community, bike community. So if you're in Instagram, do follow them. You'll get the updates of their traveling, and you can also join them. So let's go. So all the guys are ready. I don't know any of them. The guy who was supposed to come, his bike has been punctured. So anyway, let's join the team and let's get to know people. So we're starting now. I think the time is around 5:45. We're supposed to start by 5:15. We're already late by half an hour. So so yes, let's say hi to the journey. Okay, so here we go. So there's gonna be a traffic for another 10-15 minutes. Then we're gonna get a Nelmangla highway. Then it's gonna be a 4-lane highway. So Nelmangla road. It's gonna be a nice ride, morning ride to start with. So continuing the vlog, it's 6 o'clock now, and you can see the weather and the mist in the morning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Welcome to Bengaluru. So that's why it's going to be in Bengaluru or the outskirts of the Bengaluru or whichever. So we started now. We're in the 80s. If you can see the meter, the legal speed limit. I really like the discipline by these guys. I mean, everyone is disciplined. When you have a discipline in the road, nothing is going to happen to you guys. It's going to be a safe. So ORPS, good job. So there are 3 people, one at the front. Yeah, so the front guy will lead. The second one will make sure that everyone is moving. The back guy make sure that everyone are at the front. So yes, it's a lot of mist here. I don't know whether you can see in the camera or not, but I can literally, like after 50 meters, I really don't see anyone there. So apart from the lights, look at the mist. I hope now we have a clear view. So we're in hundreds, and okay. So here we go. So those are the hand signals that you take right, you take left. So that's how they do it. Nice. The front one leads the way. The second one in the middle make sure that everyone is on same speed, and the last one, the back one, make sure that no one is left behind. So yeah. So now we have speed breakers. So if you have a bike and everyone is a rider, I mean, look at this swag with the scooters showing off. Nice. It's nice to see people riding a lot. Early morning rides, it's really good. It gives a really a good break. It's a stress buster is what I feel. So we just had a breakfast here in Chenpatna. Now we have started. We are on the way to Coorg. Under 3 hours journey, we just fueled up, everyone. So another 3.5 hours journey. So we will reach the destination. Once we reach the destination, I'll show you how the destination is. Currently it is 9:45 something. So still on time. So no issues. So we finally reached Coorg, Madikere, and from here it's another 30 kilometers to the place, or I guess 25 kilometers. So we are on the way, and we'll be reaching in another half an hour most probably. So once I reach there, I'll show you how it's gonna be. So we stopped a couple of places. We stopped for breakfast, and then we stopped again for tea 2 times. Then we stopped in Madikeri just to carry all the things before we could go there, and now we're going there. So we kind of started at 5:45 most probably, and with all the 4 breaks we're almost reaching by 1:30. So I think it's a decent. We didn't go through the Mysore road. We came through this Nelmangala road and Chandrayapatna. The road was pretty good. We could explore all the countryside. The roads were good. The Mysore road is in construction, so there's a lot of take diversions you will face. So we took this Nelmangala road and then Chandrayapatna road, and then we connected to Kushal Nagar. So yeah, there was some zigzags and some crossroads we had to cross. So finally guys, we've reached Jungle Mount. We're almost closing in. So this is from the main road, you have to take the left. This is kind of off-road, and I think I have to take another half kilometer, I guess, like this. The road is very bad. Wow, nice. So before coming here, get everything you want, because again you can't go, it's very far. There they have mentioned Jungle Mount. There it is. So I guess it's 2 o'clock now. Finally we have reached Jungle Mount. Welcome to Jungle Mount, guys.